Hello, puppy. Parlor Donuts comes to Texas and cute baby noises and faces. On today's vlog.
No way.
What's he saying? Oh, he says you're pretty.
Hey, want to hear a joke? Why did the spider go onto his laptop? To visit his website.
That's not very funny.
Well, proud, huh?
Isn't he?
I love you.
Oh, he loves you.
All right, we're heading out. We're taking my kid. She's doing some babysitting, and we might go to the bank, although we might not. We might go get a donut. I really don't know what I'm doing. I feel like I'm not the boss of me. Hey, let's go. All right, Peyton is going to be babysitting for our friend. This is not the first time you've babysat for them. She had a special request, yes?
Yeah, their youngest kid, who's I believe 3, asked me a couple weeks back if I could, next time I came, if I could bring baby shark macaroni and cheese.
Baby shark what? Baby shark.
So I found some of
Macaroni and
that.
cheese. You found some of that?
I did.
Amazon?
Kroger.
Kroger. Wow.
Baby shark do 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 do.
Great.
Baby shark do 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 do.
It's like Lady Gaga. It's going to be in my head all night.
Baby shark.
So Peyton loves her from Starbucks. What do you order? You make me order. What is it?
It was a venti vanilla ice latte with oat milk and brown sugar syrup.
And how much does that cost?
$6.66.
Satan.
It's pronounced Peyton.
Okay, just wondering. She liked it. Worst part of the day, giving Princess back to mommy.
Giving the baby
Bye,
back.
Princess.
Best part of my day. French toast. I love French toast. It's not a donut. It's like a croissant with like all the sugar. And yeah, this is great. French toast. Oh, look at the raspberry jelly.
Yep.
Give it a try.
It's so big. Oh wow. It's like,
Yum.
that's
First
a
taste.
lot of jelly. It's really good.
Your lips look super sexy. Reagan got the double chocolate chip. Let's give it a try. Yeah?
Good, yeah.
Let's see the inside. What do you think?
Delicious.
This place is called Parlor Donuts. We didn't know it until recently. It just showed up in our neighborhood. I love it. And I like that you got sugar on your lips still.
I'm covered in sugar. It's the messiest donut ever.
Yum.
It's so good.
Yum.
It's really sweet too.
You think? So I've learned Parlor Donuts is a big Midwest donut chain, and this is the first one in Texas.
Tomorrow.
All right, full transparency, this is tomorrow. Today is now tomorrow on the video. So here's what happened. I went upstairs and I did a live stream. We left the key lime donut downstairs, which I promised to very sweet ladies from the donut shop. Yes, we would do a review. I told them we'd do a review. Check out the channel, blah, 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 blah. So you two, it's you two that are making me have some key lime. We went again. Paula drove out there this morning to get another key lime cronut. I think that's what they're called. And
they said that we have 2 that are just like new and kind of temporary. They're not available all the time. So I've got the key lime, and this one is a fruit tart.
looks pretty dang good.
Yeah.
You ready to try it?
I am. They're very crummy.
Crummy?
Oh, it tastes like there's key lime pie on top. So it's very good. It's like a sweet croissant donut with key lime on top. That's good.
Okay, so again, fair warning, I'm not a big key lime guy, but I am a Parlor Donuts guy so far, so. Oh, that's good. It's very limey. I like it, but I'm excited about the next one. Let's go try. What's this called again?
Fruit tart.
Fruit tart. I mean, it's a good berry and a cronut, and I feel like I made a mess. All right, fruit tart time. Easy for me to say.
All right. It doesn't look like there's anything in it. It's got berries flying off of it. Looks like a blueberry, strawberry, and a blackberry. That's good.
Yeah?
I like key lime better.
Yeah, of the 2 bites I've had, key lime is going to win big time on this one.
Yeah. Key lime's definitely better, but it's a cronut and they're all really amazing, so.
So these are really good, but I got to be honest, they don't, on a scale of 1 to 10, these are like a 6 or 7. French toast was like a 9. So if you're there at Parlor Donuts, French toast. It's the way to go.
My favorite so far has been the bourbon caramel.
Ooh, nice.
That's my favorite.
We will be back. We just discovered Parlor Donuts. Stuff is really good. In Fort Worth, well, I guess it's a Lake Worth address, whatever. Check out Parlor Donuts. We like you guys. We'll be back. We're going to get skinny together. Oh, never mind.